Hello.
Morning.
So it is. I feel like it's in the middle of the night.
We are going on a med cruise.
Yeah, I think it's pirate ship.
Morning, Mike.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Excited.
Good.
Morning.
Morning.
Now we wait.
Early, innit?
Yeah.
Bit early.
There we go. There's the boat.
There's that Jack Sparrow one. Looks like.
Yeah.
Saw him last year.
Hey, Captain Jack.
There's the angel one. That's the one we was on last
yeah?
year.
It's just weird.
Might even be getting on it again.
No, we're walking past that one. I think.
Are we doing?
Maybe not.
Nope. We're getting on it again.
No.
Yep. On the angel. We just pointed at it.
Maybe that's just the only ones that they do.
Us.
Well, here we are again.
Go back on our ship.
I think it belongs to us.
Hands up. Hände hoch, big Applaus, starken Applaus für Ali. So, 5 Minuten später sehen wir. Nice, yeah. Yes, 5-0, 5-0. Zählen wir. Gleich. Are you ready? So, big applause, please. Strong applause. Everybody, big applause for him. Tempo. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright.
Alright. Well, Charlie's gonna show you all how it's done.
Charlie's going to show us how it's done, is he?
Please, baby flop.
Got it. Does Jodie want to push me? Go on, Jodie, push
Can I?
You get that.
He feels better if you push
You
it.
ready?
When you're ready.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, drop. I don't know, I'm scared.
As long as he comes back up, he's all good. Oh, we must have.
How's the water?
Oh, great.
Cold. Okay, you next.
I think he lost his goggles on the way in.
Oh, really? Can I push him as well?
Careful, Freeman. Oh my god.
That is a bit higher than it seemed at first. Ah, see? He's doing it.
No, you need to step down
I was just going
there.
to jump over.
Oh, okay.
That's not a good idea.
Why not?
Just do it.
You can if you want.
You've got to slip off.
Off he goes. Oh, sugar.
Whoa!
That was a big splash.
You've killed us all!
Freeman can't swim very well. What's he doing?
Too scared.
God.
Oh, I need a good view for them to chase him.
At least I was honest at the start. I wasn't doing it.
You got shorts on it.
Yay! you.
I never said it. I never promised anything, mate.
I'm scared.
Come on, Ethan.
Let's get in. Can we get in a different way?
Steps down.
Yeah,
there,
that's the
I'm
step.
just gonna watch it. Just gonna watch you do it.
I'll come with you in a sec.
Good man, he's just gone through.
Yay!
Oh, I feel really bad now. I'm too scared.
Do you want me to come with you to the step?
Is that it? Maybe I'll do it later.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, go on.
You can do it.
The stairs at the back.
I've washed it out, Charlie boy. I've washed out.
Just close your eyes. Do it. You've done it before.
I know. I don't even know how then.
Come on, Michael.
Okay, you want to do it this time, don't you? I'm scared. Jodie's jumping.
Scared. Don't look at me like that. I'm scared. Not first. You're not going first.
Come on, Freeman.
Huh?
Are you
Hang on,
jumping?
my feet are burning at the moment.
Yeah, you get in there. Get in.
You're jumping.
No, I don't want to go first.
Well, I'll be with you.
Ow.
Got my knees up.
I'm so scared.
Any takers?
No, I've done my turn.
Smile, guys. Smile, Jason.
Oh, I'm so scared. So scared. Yeah.
Look, fish.
What? Fishies.
Fishies are there.
I don't see them.
Yeah, I've got a phone, so I can't jump in.
Oh, is that your
That's my
excuse?
excuse.
Once you've gone, so.
I know I will because I've been regretting it all afternoon, but now I'm back on it and I'm fine down the line.
Stop thinking about it. Yeah, what do you think about it? That's what I mean. Once you've gone, you've gone. So. Go, just go. Don't even think. No, Jodie. Want to do the Lion King?
You jump right now!
Scaring yourself by standing it.
I'm gonna have to cut a few bits of this out. Oh my god, that was a bit of a landing.
Did you get that? Alex, get up here!
Alex still ain't jumped.
Are you alright?
I think I broke my nose on my arms and like everything, but I did it.
Anyone
I
else?
think I used to ring me broken everything.
Any takers?
No.
Is it clear?
Yeah. Oh god, are you doing a run up? Oh god, here we go.
Go on.
Ow, shit, I'm hot.
Yeah, in the bloody sun, what do you expect?
Raymond. Smile, get on the side. Smile. Oh, once I'm up there, I'm gone, so you're not getting a smile once I'm on. Hurry up then, son. Why can't I do this the second time?
Smile. Fucking hell, look at this guy.
He's mental.
Yeah, man of steel there, honestly, man of steel.
As long as I come back up, it's alright.
Jump off his feet.
Alright, see you down there then. You coming in? You actually gonna jump?
I'll see how I feel.
Nah.
That's what this guy's machine, he's doing the most so far.
I know, I did it like 8 times last time. Got a headache, go on, push me. Forward. Just do a push. You go now.
You first, mate.
I'll let him go otherwise.
Yeah,
Distance.
it's up to you, mate. Just don't kill yourself. Oh, God, see, I couldn't do that.
Did they jump?
No, they put their day jump. Of course they didn't jump.
Oh. Oh,
Hi guys! I will in a minute, I'm just waiting for Ethan to jump in. Look at them sods, won't even come in. Alex doesn't even jump in, the little sod. Oh. Swim up time. This is post boat cruise.
Boat cruise, that's the one.
We're enjoying the non-salt water.
Oh, much better than salt water.
It is most relaxing.
I can touch the floor here.
Yeah, Freeman's proud of that. Freeman actually jumped in.
Yeah.
Once though.
Well, I think
it's a bit embarrassing.
I hate swimming in the sea anyway, so I actually got here. I only jumped to show I could.
None of these guys can really lie on the floor, except me. Well, I might just did it.
Can we just get that? Get on the floor. I can't on my hand.
We can't do it together, can we?
Go on, lads. Wait for me. You never wait for me, yeah?
I'm laughing at you doing that. What are you doing?
I didn't see it. I don't know if I got it.
Oh, your shorts went up like that. He was there.
I was just on the side up. Attack with the free boat.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Get it.
Alex,